revolution in dietology is coming. 21st century triumph of health nutrition for humans and pets occurred thanks to two major scientific achievements. Scientifically proven complex list of amount of nutritional ingredients and technological breakthrough in the production of these ingredients. It was logical to idea of balanced needs and offers. As a result, numerous dietological recommendation was spread from both scientific publications and in common literature, as well as different kind of ready food fulfillment store shelves. This recommendation on food explore a popular tag meme, balanced. Last decade for the past century brought a new data which show limited truth behind positive effects of balanced diet and food. Reflecting these new findings, step by step a new theory of healthy nutrition was created, a theory of adequate nutrition. Let us be clear and short describe what facts pushed next generation of nutritionists from balanced theory to nutrition of adequate one. The role of ballast, besides really needed molecules in natural food, there were found in significant amount of substances which look indifferent. They enter and exit the gut practically unchanged, so it looks like unnecessary ballast, and it seems like these substances can be taken from food to save the space. If it would be right that tubes that used moleculars would replace the normal dinner. Normal studies show that this would be wrong. First of all, because digestible fibers appear to be highly valuable for the health. The effects of microflora, arithmetical equilibrium, consider microbes in the gut to be competitors to the host. They consume variable substances and add their metabolites to the gut content, so they have to be eliminated. Wrong again. It was shown that a normal microflora of the gut, so-called microbiome, plays a vital role in the host's health. The significance of water hydrolysis. Balanced theory considered the food as the collection of inert materials waiting to be hydrolyzed and absorbed. It is another confusing idea. Natural food, both meaty and vegetarian, contains a lot of enzymes which help the gut to digest food. For instance, snakes swallow the whole body of prey, and about 90% of digestible work occurs due to enzymes inside their prey. Meaningful effects of regulatory factors of the food, first of all hormones, while eating natural food. Besides nutritional substances, the eaters consume numerously highly active molecules, first of all hormones, which are identical or very close to its own regulatory factors and able to pass gut wall. Pharmacological effects of minor components of natural food. Natural food contains numerous foreign molecules which might have certain pharmacological effect. Thus, the great majority of plants which can be used for food by humans and pets contain substances which affect neutral system, health, vessels, and other viral functions. Importance of natural technology of food consumption and inner organ cooperation while eating. Balanced theory suggests that if nutrients get into body in proper amount, it's enough to be healthy. First, medical practice with long-term par entering feeding shower harmful effects of it, and then special experiments confirm that avoiding of normal proceeding of food is unhealthy. The proceeding of food while it passes through the digestive tract generates important signals to other organs to arrange their right cooperation. Reciprocal effect between digestion and behavior, role of appetite. Balanced theory neglects importance of highly significant role of interaction between food processing in digestive tract and appetite. The viral natural mechanism evolved during billions of years. Digestive tract commands to brain certain types of behavior while brain regulates food consumption. This timesheet of food consumption and cyclical pattern balance this theory dictates equilibrium between ingredients input and organism needs, but it does not postulate the timesheet of such balancing. It is well known that some ingredients influence on utilization of other, both stimulatory and exhibitory, so their consumption should have been distant in time. What time? Balance. Theory has no idea on this point. Should the balance every piece of food, every meal, daily consumptions, monthly, seasonal? No reasonable answer, etc. There are also other factors which can miss in this article, but they are also important and can be solved under the balance theory. As you can see from the brief explanation, balanced diet and food products which proclaim they are balanced are rather artificial things, while the trend of 21st century should be naturality. We don't want to offend monsters of food industry, but we are sure that more balance is going to nothing less. The progressive players in this field feel this trend very well. That is why many companies in which specialize in pet food production are switching to natural food balance. The transfer from a balance theory to a new one will not open in a single move. There is plenty of work to enhance our understanding of health nutrition and to propose eaters a better choice. The one side of such transfer is attention to nutritional supplements. Of course, such changes can happen at once, but the trend will win. Maybe sooner, no later, as it seems to conservative thinkers now. Supplements present a unique opportunity to improve nowadays regular food for better health, quality of life, its own longevity and adaptation to circumstances. Naturalists in the wild nature note long ago that animals are looking for some kind of special food which has no nutritional meaning. Wolf, when it gets a large prey, starts eating with offal. Why it does that when a lot of lean meat and fat is in front of their carnivorous animal? Careful observer watching wolf pack when it starts hunting can determine what kind of hunting wolves are planning. Will they hunt for large prey or collect rodents or to gather some fruits and roots? Sick animals are looking for special plants and eat them. Is it accidentally? All these thoughts was behind the creation of VetVittles supplement line. We formulated herbal composition of pets with a practical knowledge of most common health issues of our four-legged bodies. Although worldwide tradition of herbal medicine exists in ancient time, there is not enough scientific proof that effectiveness depends on numerous conditions. Unfortunately, legal medicine often neglects possibilities of folk medicine, although the majority of pharmaceutical drugs had their predecessors in herbal medicine. Thankfully, recently a lot of new verifiable information about the effects of different herbs appear from trustful laboratories. This data, as well as our own searches, led us to propose a smart pet owners to a dozen of supplements formulated with numerous herbs, herbs the way which makes them more effective and safe. More information can be found at VetVittles website.